You know that feeling when you're on a perfect hike, watching the sun dip below the horizon, and you're stuck wondering, do I grab my camera and try to capture it? Or do I just sit back and enjoy the moment? Well, with the right drone, you can do both. Thanks to the latest advancements in drone technology, you're getting features like stunning 6K video and even FPV capabilities that bring you right into the action. These drones are designed to make capturing those once-in-a-lifetime moments effortless and cinematic. Today, we will break down the best drones of 2025 by comparing the features, specs, and more. You might also find some surprises for you in the video, so make sure to watch till the end carefully to catch them. So, let's get started. Number 6. Ruko F11 Pro 2. Our pick for the best value drone. Starting with the camera. This drone features a 6K camera with 4K 30 FPS video and a premium Sony lens. What does that mean for you? Stunning image quality and rich detail, whether you're filming family gatherings or capturing epic outdoor adventures. Stability is key for great footage, and the 3-axis brushless gimbal ensures smooth, professional level shots, even in windy conditions. Add in intelligent GPS flight modes like Follow Me and Orbit Flight, and even beginners can create cinematic quality videos with ease. Battery life is a standout here, with 2 batteries offering a total of 70 minutes of flight time. That's more than enough for extended adventures. Plus, with a 10,000-foot range, you can explore farther without worrying about losing connection. Night flying? No problem. The night mode delivers impressive low-light photography, perfect for evening adventures. Now, the downsides. While it offers excellent features for the price, the lack of obstacle avoidance could make it tricky for beginners in crowded areas. And don't forget to remove the gimbal cover before powering on. It's a small detail, but skipping it could damage the gimbal. And here's the surprise. There is a $110 discount at Amazon Us. Overall, the Ruko F11 Pro 2 is a top pick for budget-conscious buyers who want premium features without the premium price tag. Number 5. Ryze Tello. Our pick for the best drone for beginners. If you're new to drones and want a budget-friendly way to learn, the Ryze Tello is a fantastic place to start. At just 80 grams, the Tello is lightweight, compact, and easy to carry. It's perfect for tossing into a backpack for your next adventure. The 5 megapixels camera captures decent stills, and while the 720p HD video isn't groundbreaking, it's sufficient for casual use. What stands out most is how easy it is to fly. The Tello app features a simple twin-stick setup that's responsive and beginner-friendly. Add in downward-facing light sensors, and the drone can hover steadily indoors or perform fun tricks at the tap of a button. However, there are limits. The 100 meters range is theoretical, with real-world use averaging closer to 30-40 meter. That's not a bad thing, considering its low weight makes it struggle against even slight breezes. With just 13 minutes of flight time per battery, it's best suited for quick practice sessions. If you're looking for a simple, affordable starter drone to master the basics, the Ryze Tello is hard to beat. But if outdoor stability or high-quality video is a must, you'll want to explore other options. Number 4. Autel Evo Lite Plus. Our pick for the best drone for cinematic shots. First up, the 6K camera with a Type 1 sensor delivers exceptional quality for both video and 20 megapixel stills. What sets it apart is the variable aperture, which allows you to control light without the hassle of ND filters, an ideal feature for creators looking for flexibility in their shots. The drone boasts a 40-minute flight time, one of the longest in its class, giving you more time to get the perfect footage. Plus, the 3-way obstacle sensors add an extra layer of safety, helping avoid mid-air accidents during flights. On the downside, the video profile isn't as customizable as some might like, with only an 8-bit flat profile available for color grading. Additionally, the screenless remote feels like a step back compared to other drones in this price range, and it doesn't support advanced autonomous navigation around obstructions. For those looking to sidestep DJI Fly safe restrictions, the Lite Plus is a solid alternative. However, at its price point, some might prefer the DJI Air 2 Siemens for its slightly sharper video options. But here's the surprise for you. You can get it with 30% discount now at Autel Robotics. If extended flight times and cinematic flexibility are what you're after, the Autel Evo Lite Plus is a fantastic choice for creators looking to elevate their aerial footage. Number 3. DJI Air 3 Siemens. If you're an enthusiast looking for a versatile drone with advanced features, DJI Air 3 Siemens might be the perfect middle ground. The dual camera system is the star of the show, featuring a 1-inch wide-angle sensor and a 1x1, 3-inch medium telephoto sensor. Together, they provide exceptional flexibility for capturing both expansive landscapes and detailed close-ups. For videographers, the 4K video at up to 120 FPS ensures buttery, smooth footage, while still photographers will appreciate DNG RAW support for post-processing. Flight performance is another strong point, with 45 minutes of flight time per battery and a 20 km transmission range under FCC standards. Plus, the omnidirectional obstacle sensing and forward-facing LiDAR technology make flying safer and more precise, even in complex environments. On the downside, its weight at 724 grams places it in a higher regulatory category in some regions, which might not appeal to casual users. And while it's an improvement over the original Air 3, the updates they'll welcome are relatively minor. Overall, the DJI Air 3 Siemens delivers impressive versatility, safety, and image quality for those who want professional-grade features. Number 2. DJI Mini 4 Pro. If you're after a drone that packs pro-level features into a lightweight, travel-friendly design, the DJI Mini 4 Pro is here to impress. Weighing just 249 grams, this drone is compact enough to skip registration in many regions, making it perfect for travel. Despite its small size, the 1x1, 3-inch CMOS sensor and f1.7 aperture deliver impressive low-light performance, giving you usable footage even in challenging conditions. What truly sets the Mini 4 Pro apart is its 4K 60 FPS HDR video and 48 megapixel stills. The camera's ability to rotate 90 degrees for vertical shooting is ideal for capturing skyscrapers or creating content for social media. Plus, the Active Track 360 degrees tracking makes it easy to follow moving subjects smoothly, while omnidirectional obstacle sensors ensure safer flights. The 34-minute battery life, extendable to 45 minutes with the Plus battery, is more than enough for most adventures, and the 20 km FHD video transmission is the best in its class, providing responsive controls and clear visuals in real time. On the downside, it's the most expensive drone in the Mini series, and some essential FPV accessories like goggles and motion controllers are sold separately. But if portability, advanced camera features, and smooth video transmission are your priorities, the DJI Mini 4 Pro is hands down the best compact drone on the market. Number 1. DJI Mavic 3 Pro. If you're looking for the ultimate drone experience in 2025, the DJI Mavic 3 Pro is the one you must be looking for. At the heart of this drone is the Hasselblad 4x3 CMOS main camera, delivering stunning 20 megapixel stills and 5K video resolution. The wide dynamic range and adjustable aperture make it perfect for capturing breathtaking landscapes in any lighting. But it doesn't stop there. The medium telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom and the telephoto lens with 7x optical zoom allow you to get close to your subject without sacrificing quality. Safety is a priority, and the omnidirectional obstacle sensing with APIS 5.0 ensures smooth flights, even in tricky environments. You can confidently push the limits with the 43-minute flight time, which gives you plenty of airtime to nail the perfect shot. The DJI 3 Plus transmission provides a rock-solid connection with a range of up to 15 kilometers, ensuring lag-free visuals and precise control. And with the ergonomic DJI RC controller and a charging hub with 3 batteries, you'll have everything you need for extended sessions. On the downside, this drone comes with a premium price tag, and some advanced features were missing at launch. But here's the surprise. There is a huge $210 discount to DJI. So catch before it's gone. If you demand top-tier image quality, extended flight time, and pro-level features, the DJI Mavic 3 Pro is worth every penny. And that's a wrap, folks. Now we'd love to hear from you. Are you on the hunt for a drone that's perfect for photography, or is capturing stunning videos your main goal? Let us know in the comments below. If you liked the video, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe. Stay safe, happy flying, and we'll see you in the next one.